How can beginners understand SIERA in baseball? Imagine trying to judge a pitcher's skill just by looking at their earned run average. It's like judging a movie only by its box office numbers. There's more to the story. That's where advanced pitching metrics like expected earned run average and SIERA come in. These tools help us see past the surface and understand what a pitcher is truly capable of. They're like a behind-the-scenes look at a player's real talent, not just what shows up in the box score. Let's start with expected earned run average. This stat uses data from modern tracking systems to analyze how hard and at what angle the ball was hit when a batter made contact. It looks at exit velocity and launch angle of every ball put into play. Instead of just counting hits and runs, expected earned run average asks, how many runs should this pitcher have allowed based on the quality of contact? If a pitcher has a high traditional ERA but a low expected ERA, it suggests they've been unlucky or their defense has let them down. On the flip side, a low ERA but high expected ERA could mean they've been lucky or benefiting from good defense. It's a way to see if a pitcher's results match their actual skill level. Now, SIERA, or Skill Interactive Earned Run Average, takes a different approach. It looks at a pitcher's ability to manage different types of contact, like ground balls, fly balls, and strikeouts. It also considers walks and home runs. SIERA uses a mathematical model to estimate how good a pitcher really is at controlling the game. And like expected earned run average, which focuses on what actually happened, SIERA tries to predict future performance based on a pitcher's underlying skills. It's especially helpful for pitchers who don't strike out many batters but still keep runs from scoring by inducing weak contact or ground balls. The main difference between the two is that expected earned run average is about what actually happened based on batted ball data. SIERA is more about what a pitcher's skills suggest they should be able to do in the future. Expected ERA gives a snapshot of recent performance, while SIERA offers a forecast based on skill. Both metrics help us see beyond traditional stats like ERA, which can be skewed by luck, defense, or ballpark effects. For beginners, understanding these stats means recognizing that not all runs allowed are equal. If a pitcher's traditional ERA is high but their expected ERA is low, they might be better than the numbers suggest. Conversely, if their SIERA is higher than their ERA, they could be due for some regression. These metrics help fans and analysts compare pitchers across different eras and situations more fairly. Using expected earned run average and SIERA together gives a clearer picture of a pitcher's true ability. They show us who is genuinely skilled at limiting hard contact and managing different types of contact. They also help identify pitchers who might be underrated or overrated based on traditional stats alone. For anyone new to Sabermetrics, these tools are a great way to start understanding the deeper story behind a pitcher's performance. They turn raw numbers into meaningful insights, making watching baseball even more interesting and informed.